We got a box in the mail today from Nature's Logic, and this is our third cat food flavor of theirs that we have tried, or that we're going to try. This is their rabbit, and it's, as you can see, feline rabbit dinner fare. I'll include the guaranteed analysis as well as all the ingredients in the description of this video on YouTube, so if you have questions about that, they will be there. A link to Nature's Logic's website will also be in the description of this video, as well as a link to where you can buy the product online. So one of the things about Nature's Logic that I like is that all of their vitamins are not synthetic. They all come from the ingredients that are in the food. And rabbit is a really good source for a lot of those. And I'm excited to see if Camus and Murphy, my mom's cats, are game to try it today. What do you think, Bo? What do you think?
Oh, this is going to be a good one.
And Napa, I'm sure, would love to eat the whole thing. You do not need to be licking the top of a can. So I'm going to open it up and see what they think. No, you can't have any. So one of the things I like to do is let the kitties smell the can before I serve it up. This is the first time Camus has ever smelled this, so he's like, interesting. Bo, you want to smell some? I don't know. Bo, you're not going to lick your chops? Oh no, Bobo. Alright, I'm going to dish it out into their bowls, and then we'll show you if they're interested. Murphy's still thinking about if he likes it or not. So this is what it looks like dished out. I've added a little bit of water to make it a little moister. And so it's a pate type consistency. I know that's always something that cat owners like to know before they open a can, is to know the consistency, because cats tend to like certain consistencies for some reason.
Oh boy, Lucy. Oh boys. Think so?
What do you think? Okay, I
Guess I'll eat it.
So, if you watch my videos on YouTube, then you know that my mom's cats are fed in a dog pantry. I was hoping I could open that with my foot, but no luck. And the reason why they're fed in this pantry is so that the dogs won't get to them while they're eating. Basically not consume all their food before they get to eat. Camus is a cat that likes food. Camus has never really turned his nose up to anything, so I'm pleased to see that he's eating this rabbit for a number of reasons. Murphy is a very picky cat, so consequently my mom feeds him kind of crappier food, if you will, because that's all he'll eat. And as a result, Camus is subjected to it, but I would prefer for him to eat food that's a little bit better for him, since he is pretty much game to eating anything. We're going to do a full product review on Nature's Logic's rabbit. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. A link to all of our product reviews will be in the description of this video. And if you'd like to learn about new cat products, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, where we feature food, cat, toys, beds, and more all the time. Thanks so much for watching.